What's up guys, it's Shivangi and welcome back to our channel. We absolutely love using sheet masks guys. They're quick, they're convenient, and a good sheet mask can revive dull skin. It's like a hydration shot to your skin which makes your skin appear plumper and healthier. They're also great to apply before a special event or a meeting. If your skin is feeling down and under, then sheet masks can quickly and very efficiently give life to your skin. Now, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about certain hacks when it comes to applying your sheet mask. I'll show you step by step how to properly use a sheet mask, and I'm also going to speak about a newly launched range of sheet masks by Lakme. It's a Blush and Glow Fruitalicious sheet mask range, guys. They've got 5 variants in it: lemon, watermelon, strawberry, pomegranate, and kiwi. This is going to be a first impression video of these sheet masks, guys. One very good thing is that these are infused with some really nice hydrating and soothing agents like glycerin, niacinamide, castor oil, and fruit extracts. And also every sheet mask is infused with the fruit extract of the variant which you're using. Like if you're using a lemon sheet mask, then it has lemon extracts. If you're using a strawberry sheet mask, it has strawberry fruit extracts. I'm going to try them out with you guys and we'll see what kind of difference it makes to the skin. I'm really excited because fruits are very refreshing and plus they're great for the skin. So let's see how these sheet masks perform. Now without further ado, let's begin. Alright, I'm all set to apply the sheet mask. Now there are a few things which we'll do to prepare our skin before we apply the sheet mask. Now there are obviously 5 variants, but for today I am going to use their kiwi sheet mask. Now I'll start prepping my skin before I apply the sheet mask. Step 1 is washing the face with a cleanser. It's very important to cleanse your face before you use any sheet mask. You need to have a clean canvas, guys. If you had applied makeup, then ensure that you remove the makeup properly and then cleanse your face and then apply the sheet mask. Or even if you're using it before a night out, then ensure that you wash your face with a face wash and then apply it. If your skin is unclean, the serum in the sheet mask is not able to get absorbed in the skin properly. So this is a very important step. Okay, so my face wash is drying up now. I'm gonna go wash my face and come back. My face is all clean, guys, and now we've come to step 2. This is optional. You don't really have to do it, but this is a hack which I learned. If you want to really intensify the effect of the sheet mask on your skin, then use a toner before applying your sheet mask. Toner is the first step in any skincare routine, and sheet masks are serum based, right? So toner kind of intensifies the efficiency of the sheet mask and your skin is able to absorb it in a much better way if you use a toner. But this is optional. It's totally up to you. If you're in a hurry, then you don't have to do this. Step number 3, apply the sheet mask. Let's take this baby out. Okay, it does have a lot of serum, guys. There's some serum in this pouch as well, which I'll use later. But let's open this up and put this on. It's best if you refrigerate this sheet mask before applying it. It just, refreshes your face and how. But don't freeze it. Refrigerate it. Don't keep it in the freezer. Alright, let's stick this on. Oh, it smells nice. It smells very, very fresh, guys. The fragrance is not like over the top, which is going to give you a headache or something. It's a very mild and fresh fragrance. Plus, it feels very cooling on the skin as well. Alright, so I won't be able to talk much with the sheet mask on, but you need to leave it on for about 20 minutes and then take it off. So I will have to wait for 20 minutes. This pouch has a little bit of extra serum. What I like to do with extra serum is, I'll show it to you. I take it on my palm. I apply a little bit on top of the sheet mask. Whenever there's extra serum, I just kind of, put a lot of it on top of the sheet mask again, so that my skin gets the goodness of extra serum. Then I apply a little bit of serum on my neck, and with the rest I just apply it on my hands, guys. These serums are like really hydrating and nice. Okay, I really shouldn't talk much like this, so I'll see you in 20 minutes. I am back. It's been about 20 minutes. It's time to take this off. Now guys, you don't have to wait for your sheet mask to dry up on your skin before you take it out. 15 to 20 minutes is good enough for your skin to soak up all the serum. Now let's take it off. Okay. Once you take it off, you need to discard this. Somebody once asked me if they can reuse it. You cannot reuse these sheet masks, guys. You have to discard them as soon as you take them off. I'll just give you a closer look. The sheet mask is really like a hydration bomb for the skin, guys. Like, it smells so refreshing, right? And the fragrance also dissipated after some time, but after removing this, I can really feel the hydration in my skin. The skin feels really nice and smooth, guys. This is a great sheet mask. Now we've come to step 4. Your skin is going to feel a little wet, so you need to massage the serum in your skin. Don't wash your face after applying the sheet mask. This is a mistake which a lot of people do. You need to just give it some time. Like, it will take about 10 minutes for your skin to completely dry up and for the serum to sit well in your skin. So to fasten that process, you need to massage the skin a little bit. And that's it. Now, 5th and the final step would depend on what time of the day you have applied the sheet mask. If you've used it before a night out, or during the day before applying your makeup or something, then you can just wait for about 10 minutes more and then follow this up with a primer and sunscreen and apply your makeup. If you've applied it in the night, then you just need to seal this moisture off with a moisturizer and go off to bed. You don't need to do anything more. But always keep this in mind. After you take off your sheet mask, give your skin about 10 minutes more for the serum to settle in your skin. If you immediately apply any product or makeup or something, your skin is going to feel sticky. So don't do that. Give your skin a little bit of a breather and then carry on with what you were planning to do next. So that's it, guys. Those were some of the points which you need to keep in mind before using a sheet mask. And when it comes to these sheet masks by Lakme, my skin does feel really smooth and plump and hydrated, guys. These are some really good quality sheet masks. The serum is like a hydration bomb for your skin. If you're somebody who loves sheet masks as much as I do, then you can definitely consider trying them out. These are some really nice and refreshing sheet masks. And with that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting a lot of makeup related content there. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali. And your support on all 3 channels would mean the world to us. So please hit that red button and stay tuned to our content. On that note, I'm going to sign off for now, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.